Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So my today's project is how to make these gorgeous fridge magnet which are made using paper quilling strips. These are quilling ways with the flowers and the pot is made using weaving technique and they are super duper gorgeous. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. First, I am taking here beige color cardstock which measures 5 by 6 centimeters and this is having 250 GSM thickness. Now, on this 6 centimeter side, I am marking on 2 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Now, we just need to join diagonally with the top end like this with the markings. And now I am just cutting these diagonal lines. And the pot is ready. Then here I am taking maroon color 3mm strips. I have just divided it in 1/4 strip. Now adding glue on back side of the sheet and parallel to the edge of this pot diagonally I am sticking it. We need to keep the middle portion hollow like this. And similarly I am just adding these strips one by one from back side by leaving little gap. In the bottom I am not leaving any gap, just on the top. So this is done. Now here I am taking skin color 5mm strip. These are also cut into 1/4 strip. And now I am just passing it through the maroon color strip and doing the weaving pattern. We just need to pass under the first strip. Then from top of the second strip, again under the third strip, top of the fourth strip, and so on till the end. So the first row of the weaving is done. I am just pulling the strip till the top edge and securing the remaining strip from back side. And this is done. In the same way I will do the weaving for the second row as well, alternatively. And this is done. Similarly, complete this till the end. And this is my completed weaving design, and in total I have added 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 rows for my size. So if you are increasing the size of the pot, you may have to add some more weaving strips. Now for the finishing in the bottom, I am just attaching one maroon color 3mm strip and securing it at the back. And the base is ready. Now in the same shape, I have cut one more beige color cardstock pot and I am just sticking it on back side of my base. So I am just adding glue on three sides of the pot and sticking the base so that the center part should be hollow and we can tuck the flower easily inside this. Now I'm starting with making the flower. For the first flower I am taking half strip of yellow color in 3mm and making one tight leaf shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. Now to create the flower, I am just joining total 4 petals together. And adding small half cut pearl in the center of the flower. So the flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more yellow flowers, 4 dark yellow flowers and 4 off-white color flowers. Then to make leaf, I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green color 3mm and making one bended leaf shape or bended semicircle. Similarly, I have prepared one more using sap green color strip, just joining both the petals together and leaf is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more, and also I have done 2 scroll shapes using same colors in very small size for the decoration. Now to create filler, I am taking half strip of orange color and making one tight coil. Then taking one small piece of sap green color strip, folding this into half, add glue inside the strip and exactly in the center put your tight coil and wrap the strip around this. So the filler is ready. If you find any glue mark, wipe it out immediately using wet brush for the clean look. Now I am taking back my pot or vase and I will start arranging all the flowers, leaves and fillers. So first flower I will tuck inside this and then I will add one by one each flower. And this is done. Now to create handle, I am taking here 6 cm broad cardstock. I have just drawn one handle shape using pencil in 2 rows, and I'm just cutting this handle using scissor. Then I am decorating this using 5 mm half cut pearls, leaving little gap in the bottom so that we can stick it on back side of the pot easily. And this is done. Allow it to dry for a few minutes. Then I am taking here half strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have prepared one more tight coil already. Now taking back my pot, and on back side I am just attaching these 2 tight coils first. Just to give little dimension to the handle, I am attaching these tight coils, and then on top of this I am sticking the handle. Like this, hold it for some time, and the beautiful flower pot is ready. Now it's time to attach the magnet. So here I am taking my B6000 glue, and exactly in the center part I am attaching the magnet. Allow it to dry completely, and the super gorgeous fridge magnet is ready. It's looking very attractive. In the same way, I have prepared one more magnet with other color combination, and for this I have used teardrop technique to create the flowers. So in this way you can make beautiful magnets in different color combinations. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.